Okay, so what you have to do first is to go to image, canvas size, copy the weight, paste it to the height, click on OK. Now the next step is to actually select what we want here, our subject, and there's like multiple ways to select the subject. One way we can just use selection tool, and now we have selected and we can go to selection and save selection, subject. I'm gonna write here subject. Okay, now I'm gonna go to edit, and here we have content aware scale. Now I'm gonna select here the subject I created, and now this will protect the subject. And now I'll just let's actually deselect this, but now when I click to content and protect the subject, and now I have here some white here, and that's not good. So I'm just gonna select so I can crop only this portion. Click on the keyboard Control plus J. Now I'll delete this so I don't have this background. I'm gonna go back to content aware scale, select the protect the subject, which we selected right at the beginning of this video. We selected the subject, and now if I grab and hold Alt, now it works without any problems, and as you can see, it looks pretty good, and the actually subject is not deformed or stretched, so it looks just good. So that's how you do it. I can show you now a different method. You can also use let's actually select this portion, and let's select this. Okay, now I can select this portion as well and click on content aware fill. And of course I want to replicate, so I'm gonna click on Alt, which will add, like you have plus now instead of minus, which will add more instead of take. So actually I don't want to replicate the subject, so in this case minus will just delete this, only the background. I want to replicate only the background. So that's another method that you can use to fill the empty spaces, and now it looks just fine. Now if you want some of the grass that you don't want to replicate, you can just remove that. Maybe you only want this portion, and to be quite honest, it looks really good. But yeah, in my case, obviously I want this portion as well, so we'll fill this portion and here as well. You know, and it looks really, really nice. And you can try different options here. You can use rotation, rotation adaptation high maybe, rectangle maybe, in our case new, or custom. You select the area, color adaptation, you can select high, scale, see which one does a good job. So yeah, I think it's a great tool as well, this this content aware fill. It does a good job as well, so I really hope you found this helpful. And now there are two methods I know. Now there are probably more, I'm not an expert, probably there's more methods to fill this, but I only know two. Obviously you can also go to edit, but that's not the best option, absolutely, and go to free transform and just resize now. If you hold shift, will lock in, but I don't know, that's the best option. Maybe if you want to crop, if you want to remove, first of all make sure it's even and just Control plus T, that's the shortcut. And now we have here some, let's Control D to deselect the selection, and Control plus T now, hold Shift, and you can resize. Maybe in a situation you can find this helpful, like if you don't care about the what's above and what's here in the front, you don't care about these details, you just want the subject to be right in front, then yes, absolutely, you can use this method as well. And then that's pretty much what you can do. And then you can add something to your image. But overall, that's what I know. I hope you found this helpful, and if you have any suggestion for the next tutorial, let me know in the comment section. And now I will see you in the next I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care and leave your suggestions down below. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.